If your domain is not responding after a DNS change in Namecheap, don't worry, because this is usually a normal part of DNS propagation, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly what to check and how to fix it step by step. This is one of the most common issues people run into after updating name servers, A records, or other DNS settings, especially if the website was working before and suddenly stopped loading. The good news is that in many cases, nothing is actually broken. Your changes can take 30 minutes to 24 hours to update across worldwide internet service providers, and sometimes it can take up to 48 hours before the new DNS information fully reaches everyone. So the first thing to do is stay patient, because timing alone may be the reason your site is not responding yet. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick website and hosting fixes. Now, let's go through the checks. First, use a DNS status checker, like DNS Checker, to see whether your new IP address is resolving globally. Open your browser and search for DNS Checker, then enter your domain name and review the results from different locations around the world. If you can see your new IP address in some places but not others, that usually means propagation is still in progress. If the old IP address is still showing everywhere, then the DNS change may not have fully taken effect yet, or the record may need to be reviewed in Namecheap. Next, you want to make sure your local computer is not showing an old cached DNS result. To do that on Windows, click the Windows search bar and search for command prompt. Open it, then type ipconfig/flushdns and press enter. This clears your local DNS cache and forces your computer to request the latest information instead of using outdated data. After that, refresh your browser and test the domain again. If the site still does not respond, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies, because your browser may also be storing an older version of the site or an old redirect. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This opens the browser data clearing window. Select the browsing data option for cache and cookies, and make sure to uncheck anything else you do not want to remove. Then click Delete Data. Once that finishes, close and reopen your browser. Then visit your domain again and test it in a fresh session. At this point, if the domain still does not load, keep in mind that DNS can still be propagating in the background, so wait a little longer and check again later. Also, make sure the record you changed in Namecheap is correct, because even a small typo in the IP address, host name, or record type can cause the domain to stop responding. The most important thing is to confirm that the new DNS settings are correct, the local cache has been cleared, and enough time has passed for global propagation. In most cases, once the DNS update fully spreads, the domain starts working normally again without any extra fixes. So to recap, check propagation with a tool like DNS Checker, flush your Windows DNS cache using command prompt, clear your browser cache and cookies, and allow enough time for the change to update worldwide. If this video helped you solve the issue, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.